Hi guys, it's me Daphne.
And me, Emily.
Today we're going to do
Slime.
yeah.
She's gonna make fluffy slime, and I'm gonna make jiggly slime.
So
Yeah.
we got to pick which ones. Okay. So we're going to get this
So
one.
yeah, let's get started. So, what I'm going to need for my slime is a bowl, something to mix with,
Oh, I'm back to coming.
glue, water, and borax water. We'll be right back.
Oh, maybe after this we
Oh.
could do like just white. Hi.
So,
So
we're back, and so yeah, you need a bowl, something to mix with, water, and borax for jiggly slime, and I'm going to be using neon pink glitter. I won't focus, but yeah, you're gonna use
the
that.
things I would need is a bowl, something to mix with, shaving cream. We're using men's.
3-in-1.
We're using glitter and glue.
And borax water. So,
Let's get started.
in both of the slimes, we're gonna use lotion. So
I
yeah.
think I'm going to do that after.
So
We
yeah.
could have the clipping.
Let's
First.
get started. So,
How much?
um,
Like half?
so I'm gonna add in my glue. There. And you're gonna put in your glue. And you can use clear or white glue. Well, yeah, clear or white glue. And yeah. After you do that, right now I'm gonna put in I'm gonna put in lotion, but she's gonna do it after she does her slime. So you can mix it if you want to. I have lotion and it's Ultra Shea body cream.
Now I'm going to use my shimmer foam. Tell me what to start.
Should you like do that to show them? So her shaving cream is blue because it's 3-in-1. It's not just shaving cream, and my lotion is just white. It combines with the blue, so it's still the same white. So after that, I'm going to add in my glitter, my neon pink glitter, to make it just a slight color. And are you gonna add in yours right now?
Yeah, bones. The little.
Look how pretty this is. It's really glittery and shiny. So,
This is how mine looks like after mixing. Very fluffy. After this video, we are going to make plain white slime. We're going to add something in it, but we don't know what we're going to add. So this is the glitter I'm going to use.
it's a white or pink glitter, but it's not neon, it's just pink. And this is mine. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a neon kind of.
This
It's
is
really
mine.
bright. Whoa. This is hers so far.
You can see the glitter.
So now that I did that, I'm gonna add in water. So then it can turn jiggly. And then I'm just gonna mix.
So guys, now it's time for the
Activator.
They use a tablespoon.
She's gonna put in half a quarter or 1/4 teaspoon.
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 So I just finished mixing the water with the glue, and now I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of borax.
It's hard to mix a little.
You can use your hand if you want.
One more tablespoon.
I'm not gonna use my hands right now. So you can make any of these: fluffy slime, jiggly slime, regular slime. So I think I'm gonna use my hands, but right now I'm gonna add in borax. So mine's starting to be into slime.
Mine too, and I just have to add 2 teaspoons.
For me, I need more because mine's jiggly and it's liquidy. I've used 1/4 spoons of activator.
Guys, just for warning, don't really use borax.
Yeah. You can use like,
But you can use borax like every day.
yeah, you can't use it every day because it might harm your hands or do something bad. So. So mine's kind of starting to be into slime, but I've used a lot of
Sorry if there's slime on it too.
Oh, it's okay.
Mine is almost clean up. Slimy.
So we'll be right with you when our slime is ready.
So
So,
we're back.
and Daphne's slime is ready, but mine is almost ready.
I sort of had to fix it because there's still slime in the container.
Mine's still sticky, but it's slime. So, mine's getting a little bit less sticky, but
Mine is
still
really
sticky. As you can see it, you can't really see it, it's all white, but in real life it's pink. So, we might make another video of just poking the slime. So
And
then
we're also going to just make white slime. Then we're going to add something random in it. She's going to tell me what to add in my slime. I'm going to tell her what to add in her slime.
oh no, it got stuck on the bowl. My slime is a mess.
You need more.
Oh, it's getting less stickier, as you guys can see. But I still kind of have to knead it.
You
So
can
I
really see my glitter. But the camera doesn't really show.
So,
Got my slime. I don't want to go to sleep right now.
me neither.
What time do you go to sleep?
To sleep?
On school days.
Like 9:50.
9:30.
What time do you guys sleep at for school?
9:30. On 9:30. Mine's a little sticky.
Mine is too. Mine's really sticky.
Want me to add some in yours?
That's okay. Yeah. So we're gonna bring the camera a little bit lower.
This is how mine looks like. The camera really looks white, but it's not. Mine is like old white.
Mine's really stretchy.
Yours looks white.
Yeah, my slime looks white on camera, but it actually has glitter in it. So, as I said, we might have to make another video to show the slime. So,
What's your favorite type of slime?
jiggly slime.
Fluffy slime.
That's why we picked this slime.
She got to pick my slime, I got to pick her slime.
Whoa! I made a bubble, but the camera didn't show it. My slime makes a lot of clicking sounds.
Who has more?
Cute. I don't know. Well, yeah, that's the video.
In our next, we're going to do 2 more videos. We're going to show our slime and do a lot of poking. And our other one is going to be where we just make white slime and each of us gets to pick what we should put in our slime.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what type of slime you like.
And also pick which one is better. Hers, what do you call yours?
I don't know.
I call mine raspberry slime. No, I'll call my raspberry sprinkle slime.
Cupcake slime?
Slime. Not me.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
sorry.
I just like.
So yeah. Bye guys.
This is a closer up.
This is a close-up of mine. You can't see it, but yeah. Hope you guys
Slime.
enjoyed this video.
Bye.
Bye.